I will remember music helping me through lockdown. It gave me something to do and it kept me going. I'm 15 years old and I live in Castledawson and I play 5 instruments: the banjo, mandolin, fiddle, guitar and the mandola. I love playing music because it's very relaxing, it can help you escape. I started off with the banjo first. My dad loved the banjo. I started lessons when I was 7. I think it was in my blood because after the very first lesson I was able to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. I kind of knew then, I think I'll be able to do this pretty well. I started making those videos at the start of lockdown since I had no one to play with. So I was thinking I can play a few instruments, I can maybe play the tune on the banjo and accompany myself on the guitar or play a couple of other instruments with it. So it's not just me, but it's like multiple versions all playing together. I think because there was no concerts or any gigs happening, people can get very down whenever none of that is happening. So I thought I was cheering people up really with the videos I was doing. And that's when more and more people started to see the videos. I play Irish traditional music because I've nearly been brought up with it, and then I will never give it up, I don't think. Now the younger generation, there's so many people my age playing at sessions and they're all making friends through that. That will, like, you'll have their friends for life. It's been so long since we've all played together and it won't feel very real, I don't think, just being able to play because it's been that long. But once we do, it'll be great.